How long does it take you to admit when you are wrong? This is one of the strengths, I think, of a leader, is that they're quick to admit when they're wrong and to fix their mistakes. And I'll give you a specific example. Recently, one of my clients was extremely pumped up about a hiring decision that they made to bring in a project manager into their organization. They were technically qualified and they thought that they would be an excellent fit. Plus, my client was kind of under the gun and needed a project manager to come on board to run some work. So they brought the guy in, and it became evident extremely quickly that in fact the hiring decision was a mistake and they shouldn't have hired him. Now, you know and I know that many times when we make a mistake, it's hard to admit that. And when it comes to hiring, sometimes we allow someone to stick in our company for months and even years, when from the very beginning we understand that perhaps we shouldn't have hired them. And I was really proud of my client because you know what he did? He got rid of the guy. He did it in a nice way, but he understood that he'd made a mistake. So he went in, he explained the situation to this individual, and he terminated his employment agreement with him. And I just thought it was very brave and also very smart to make that decision quickly. So if you're in a situation where you've hired someone, you know you've made a mistake, what are you going to do about that? If you know that that person is not a fit for your organization, are you going to allow them to stick around, or are you going to remove them? Now, I'm not saying you go in and fire them today, but this is the question you've got to ask yourself. If you haven't done something about it in the next 90 days or in the next 6 months, are you doing a disservice to your organization? So my encouragement to you is this: when you make a mistake in anything in life, but particularly when it comes to hiring people, admit that mistake as quickly as possible, and it will have a tremendous positive impact upon your organization. And by the way, it will increase your credibility as a leader as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. My name's Anderton. Thanks for watching.